Moon, hold me in your petals now. Moon, enfold me. I will reach you somehow. I feel the pull in the pulse of your ocean's bound. Moonshine on my life, and take a bow. Moon, hold me. I feel your arms around. Moon, you're whole to me. When I'm lost and then I'm found, you give me a chance to feel full. I'm abundant all around. I'm burning off the sleepless nights. I'll walk on your holy ground. Moon, hold me. I'm finding out my way. Moon, please pull me. I know I'm better off this way. Moving toward the light, having touched the shadow of my wounds. Moon,